chose Aaron with A-Lee Construction after having a chance to meet with a few different contractors to talk about the projects we wanted to undertake in our home. And what impressed me the most is having had a chance to sit down with him, his desire to make sure that the process was easy on the homeowner, and his attention to the communication was extremely important to us. My husband and I keep extremely busy schedules, and I don't have the headspace to be able to keep up with all that needs to be done in undertaking a large project, so we really appreciated having Aaron oversee, and he most definitely delivered on his promise to communicate the process with us, both upfront at the very beginning as well as during the entire project. Aaron spent about 4 months with us working on 2 different bathroom projects, and we were extremely pleased with all the work that was completed and all the attention and time that he spent with us. He was always available, always kept us up to speed, and if I needed him at any point in time, he always responded very quickly, even on evenings and weekends, and I was most impressed with that. It was very important when beginning our project that we were able to discuss with Aaron that we wanted to keep the character of our home. So in choosing what we wanted for fixtures for our bathroom, we wanted to make sure we could stick to the character.
We appreciated everything that Aaron did so much that I've already recommended him to several friends. And also have lined him up to do several projects outside. We're looking forward to continuing our relationship with Aaron and A-Lee Construction.